Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear all this cached RAM so your PC can boost performance. So in order to do this, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any web browser you like. For my case, I'm using Microsoft Edge, and now just type RAM map download. Open the first link which appears here, and then click on download RAM map. Once you click on this will open this zip file. This will download this zip file. You have to click on this, and then for my case I'm using RAM map 64. Just double click it and click on run. Once you do this, click on yes, click on agree, and this will open this interface. Click on this empty button and then click on empty standby list. Once you click on this, go back to your task manager and see cached memory. As you can see, this was almost 10 GB before, and now this is 500 MB. This is how you can clear cached RAM in your PC in 2026. This works in every Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8 and 7 as well. So yeah, this is how you can do it, guys. That's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.